An equilateral triangle, a square and a circle have equal perimeters. If T denotes the area of triangle, S the area of the square and C the area of the circle, then what? Okay, so we have a triangle, an equilateral triangle, and equilateral triangle means all the sides of the triangle are equal. And let's say the side is A. There is a square as well. And let's say the side of the square is B. And there is a circle. Let's say the radius is R here. Okay. And we are given that all these three have equal perimeters. So perimeter is actually sum of all the sides. So here perimeter of this equilateral triangle here will be this side plus this side plus this side, or I can say that this is 3a. Perimeter of this square will be 4b, and for circle, instead of perimeter we calculate the circumference, right? And the formula for circumference is 2 pi r. And the question is telling me that all these three are equal. Now what I'll do is, let's say that these three are equal to some common constant k. All right, so from this I can imply that a will be equals to k by 3. Okay, b will be equals to k by 4, and r here will be equals to k by 2 pi. All right, further the question is telling me if T denotes the area of the triangle. Let's talk about T now. We are calculating the area of this equilateral triangle. So the formula for calculating the area of equilateral triangle is root 3 by 4 a square. Now instead of a, we'll write k by 3. So we get root 3 by 4 k by 3 whole square. So we get k square root 3 by 3 square is 9, 9 4s are 36. So we have the value of t, which is k square root 3 by 36. Now s is the area of the square. So we know that the formula for calculating area of square is side square. Here side is b, so b square. Instead of b, what we'll do is we'll write k by 4. So k by 4 whole square. Okay, so k square over 4 4s are 16. So we have the value of s here, which is k square by 16. Similarly for c is the area of the circle. Now the formula to calculate the area of circle is pi r square. Now instead of r, we'll write k by 2 pi. So pi into k by 2 pi into k by 2 pi. So pi cancelled. So we are left with c is equals to k square over 2 to the 4 pi. All right, so this much is clear. So we have T, S and K. Now how will we determine which among these three are is the bigger one, has the greater value? So what we'll do is, instead of K, we'll substitute, assign some common value for K here. Let's say K is equals to 1. Okay, so we'll substitute 1 here instead of K. So we get K is 1. So we get root 3 by 36. Here we get 1 by 16. And here we get 1 over 4. And instead of pi, we'll write 22 divided by 7. And this 7 will go in the numerator. So we have C is equals to 7 by 4 into 22. Now if we calculate this, root 3 by 36, we get something around 0.048. Okay, when we calculate 1 by 16, we get value which is somewhere around 0.06, and when we calculate this thing, we'll get value something which is around 0.07. So we can clearly see here that C is greater than S and S is greater than T, and this is our required answer. C is greater than S and it is greater than T. So here option D is the correct one.